The inside stuff with Martin Soloja today is on a philosophical thing. Character is destiny. You know, a very interesting topic from Shakespeare's Hamlet. That's the conclusion of Shakespeare's Hamlet. And then a 2005 book of John McCain with Mark Salter. He wrote a book, Character is Destiny. Just inspiring stories for young people and old people about the importance of character in the development of person and nation. And it's a very good book. And I see the theme of that book in contrast to what is happening in our own country, where the two major political parties lack character. And I mean specifically the governing party, the APC, and the opposition party. I was in office and in power for 16 years here. They don't have character. In respect of the politics in Edo State now, look at how our political leaders are just gambling with our destiny as a nation. In 2016, when they conducted election there, the candidate of APC in 2020 was the candidate of PDP in 2016. In the same way, the candidate of APC in 2016 is the candidate of PDP in 2020. So we can see Iyamu was candidate of PDP in 2016. Obaseki was candidate of APC, and the then governor, the outgoing governor then, who was to be the national chairman of the governing party, Adams Oshomole, was campaigning for Obaseki everywhere, and he called Iyamu a thief. And you see the video everywhere now, calling him a thief. And that he did not even give him any board appointment because Iyamu was a thief. And the same way they were campaigning on the platform of PDP, saying that Obaseki was incompetent, was this, was that. But today in 2020, the same set of people, Oshomole and Co, and all those PDP people, they are behaving the same way. They are saying that the same Obaseki they called a thief is going to be the candidate of PDP. APC has taken Iyamu, who lost to Obaseki in 2016 as their own governorship candidate. I think, what do they take us for? They should display character. We have had too much of character failing, and it's not good for the country that our people lack integrity. They can't display character, they display learning, they can speak as orators, but they should begin to deal with us. This is the most important African nation, and it's the most populous black nation on earth. The black world, the black race, depends on Nigeria, as even the iconic Nelson Mandela said. They depend on us to make progress. They're waiting for Nigeria. But look at the character of our political leaders. 2016 here, you called somebody a thief. He's your governorship candidate in 2020. Why are they behaving like that? So we can't rely on the governing party. We can't rely on the opposition party. They can't even display character. This is unfortunate. This character failing everywhere is not going to take us anywhere. And we citizens, young and old, should begin to demand responsibility from our leaders. And I think it is not good for us at all. Character is destiny. And it is only good character that will shape the destiny of the most populous black nation on earth. We should demand good character, not learning anymore. This is my view, and I want you to just send your own opinion to the comment section. This is Inside Stuff with Martins Oloja, The Guardian, Nigeria.